my God, what possessed you guys to come out and try something as crazy as this?
I twisted their arm and bribed them.
So it took a little extra encouragement then, huh? It didn't come willingly?
And financial incentive.
So anything you guys want to say to the friends and family back home? We're going to see this later before we head up.
I'd like to say Carpe Diem, seize the day. I turned 59 this week, and this is one thing off my bucket list.
Nice.
2 tears in the bucket.
Cool. You guys ready to go skydiving then?
Yeah.
All right, let's go do it, huh?
Where's Sarah?
Gene, what do you think?
That was awesome! I want to do it again!
All right, congratulations.
Thank
nice
you.
job. Look good up there.
Wonderful!
Look at the sky with it.
Okay, you gotta give me a hug.